Perfect fit closets. How to enhance your design using lighting to improve the curve appeal of your design. I already have my 2020 design program open. I have a closet um, done in here. I already have my models or my parts, my notes, dimensions, and everything that I need. I'm done. I just want to add some lighting in here. So I will proceed. I use my PFC Canada catalog. So underneath the local browser, I will just go and find another catalog called Room 4. And I'll click in here on lighting fixtures. It says that furniture items except lighting fixtures are now available from the 2020 decorative items catalog on the cloud. That is this one. I'll show you how to uh, find some lighting in here too. So I will proceed to double click on my lighting fixtures, and here I can see I have um, some options for desk lamp, table lamp, floor lamp, suspended light recess, ceiling light, ceiling fan, light box, fluorescent lighting, strip lighting, light source, sconces, and switch and outlets. So for now, because what I'm looking for is some like a strip lighting that we typically use, I will just, sorry, in the light under lighting fixtures, I will click in ceiling light. And this one here, we use it a lot. It's a ceiling light with 3 light tracks. If you click on each of them, you will have a preview there, how they look like. So in this case, because the one that I want to use is the ceiling light, 3 light track, I will select it, drag it. I can see my magnet, let go of my mouse. I want to add it here. It got attached to this wall. So I will just right click, click on in and out and move it. I can type on my placement zone how far I want it, or I can just use my mouse to do it manually. So for now, I will just add it here and I will type 26. And because I know like the lights are facing the center of my room and I want it facing my models, I will just right click, click on rotate and rotate it manually. And I will proceed and select and drag another one and drop it in here. And right click in and out, and I'll type again 26 to make it the same distance from here. And I will do the same. My light tracks are showing to the center of the room. So I also have the option to mirror this item, and I will just draw a line in here. Make sure it's straight. Left click, and I will say, do you want to delete the original items? I will say yes. And well, my line wasn't straight, that's why it looks like this now, but then I can try and make it straight if I just rotate it a little bit. And again, in and out and type 26 just to make sure they're on the same location. Because I know my customer have chandelier in here, I will go, if you see this note here, it says that candelabra and candlesticks are now in the room deck catalog, but I can also find some in my cloud browser. So I have all my catalogs here selected, select all, and I just type, I will close it to do it again. But for example, I will just type again, chandelier. And it will show me some items in here. And if I know exactly how it looks like. I can just grab it and insert it. I will say that is something pretty similar to this, or it doesn't matter much. Just we want to add a chandelier in here. So we will just drag it and drop it. I see a little square in here. So I will just let go of my mouse and I will move this to the left and right. So for now, I'll just put it there manually, left click to let go. And I can click in the chandelier, click on center, double click on the center of my room, and it's supposed to be center in this space. So as you can see here in my elevation, it's already showing those tracking lights. It shows in here too, facing my model there. I have the other one here. Because it's a big space and I know I'll be needing more lighting, I also used underneath recess. I use the spot recess. There are the spotlights. So I can, for example, add one here, move it in and out, and just drop it here. I'll drag another one. I'll just put it in here. Right, left click, select. I think I see my magnet there, and then just move it in and out. And if I want to move it to left and right, left click and drag. And I'll just add 3 more in here. And I'll move them after. So in and out, and I'll just put it, let's say somewhere here. Just zoom in to make sure I select the lighting and not the dimension. I'll just move it a little bit for now. In and out. You can use the placement zone again, as I said, and just do 15 to make sure you move them all on the same location. And if I go back here underneath my lighting fixtures, I want a floral lamp to add in this corner. I will just put it in here, floral lamp. I will click so I can see a preview of that image, and I'll just drop that one in here. And if I go to my perspective, I will use my color tool in here. And I'm able to see all my lighting. Click a little bit more. Move this down and then zoom in. On there I can see all my recess lighting that I add, my light tracks, my ceiling light, move around and see. I have my floor lamp. And I'm able to see everything. We let this populate. Everything is more bright and illuminated. As you can see, now you have the lighting facing this model, creating some shadows and making everything look more bright and appealing. Remove this. Move this around. I am able to see my ceiling too. All the lighting that I just add. And there's infinity options in there for lighting. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@perfectfaithcanada.com. Thank you.